Hi, I'm Ryan Cummings from R&R Law Group. Welcome to Your Brother at Law. We simplify Arizona law and break down legal processes to make them easier to understand. Let's get started. Today we're going over aggressive driving. So this is in violation of Title 28-695, and it says a person commits aggressive driving if both of the following occur. That you during the course of conduct, you commit a violation of either sections 28701, which is the civil speeding statute, which means you're just traveling above the posted speed limit or traveling a speed that's not reasonable and prudent. Or section 28701.02. That's that excessive speed statute that we've gone over in another video. That means that you're traveling at 20 miles an hour or more than the posted speed limit. And then the state has to prove two of the other following violations. Either a failure to obey a traffic control device, overtaking and passing a vehicle on the right by driving off the pavement. So that would be like if you swerved into the shoulder or like a dirt patch or something in order to get around them. Or it could even be like a right turn lane if you overpass somebody on something that's not typically for the roadway that you're in. If you do an unsafe lane change provided by that statute, if you're following a vehicle too closely, or if you fail to yield the right-of-way as provided in Article 9 in this chapter. So basically what that just means is if you're speeding and you cut somebody else off and fail to yield right-of-way, that could be something that happens there. Now, if you get convicted of this, you are guilty of a Class 1 misdemeanor. Again, as we go through in another video, our levels of misdemeanors here in Arizona, a Class 1 is going to be our top-level misdemeanor. That's the highest misdemeanor that we have in Arizona. Outside of that, you're going to be required to do traffic survival school. What that is that's an 8-hour, generally it's an in-person class that you're going to have to take. So it's not like defensive driving school where it's about 4 hours. You can do it all online. This is an 8-hour in-person class that you're going to have to take. The MVD is going to assess 8 points against your driver's license. That's also one of the reasons why you have to take traffic survival school. Why that's important, though, is because if you get another ticket within a 12-month period, it means your driver's license is going to get suspended for a minimum of 90 days. Now, on a initial conviction of this, a court is going to forward the abstract to the Department of Motor Vehicles, and they could suspend your driving privileges for up to 30 days. Okay? So that's a short suspension, but again, nobody wants to be suspended for any period of time. Now, if you're convicted of a second violation within a 24-month period, again, this goes from date of violation to date of violation. So not date of conviction to date of conviction, but date of violation in there. And that's within a 24-month or 2-year period. It's still going to be a Class 1 misdemeanor as it was on a first conviction. But what they will do at this point in time is they're going to suspend your driving privileges for up to a year. Now, as you'll see down in the substatute down here, you can get after 45 consecutive days of the suspension, you can, again, apply for that restricted driver's license. What that does then is going to allow you to drive to work, it's going to allow you to drive to school. If there's anything that's court-appointed, medical appointments, those are the things you're going to be able to drive from, to and from forward with that. But that is what happens if you're convicted of a second offense within a 24-month period. So if you've been charged with aggressive driving, again, can have some pretty substantial consequences that come with it. Lots of different things that we can do on these types of cases, lots of defenses that we can present for you. So if you've been charged with an aggressive driving charge here in Arizona, don't hesitate. Give us a call. Let's talk about how we can help you. Thanks for joining today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We'll see you next video.